This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly Tucker. Elegant townhouse in East Beach designed by the Crumley Group and known as the Brownstones. This 4-bedroom unit offers superior construction and finishes throughout, high ceilings, custom wood trim and Brazilian cherry floors. Open concept floor plan features double-sided gas fireplace with limestone mantle, flanked by French doors leading out to private courtyard. Large master suite on second floor, 2 additional bedrooms and additional full bath. Third floor level offers additional bedroom/family room/media, gym and full bath. Enjoy the beach, amenities and relaxing lifestyle in this golf cart friendly community. For more information, review the details below.